Hello everyone, my name is Sanjeev. I am 18 years old and my father name is Sundardevan. His work is driver and my mother name is Tamishwari. He is working in ENCSC, Tamil Nadu Civil Supply Corporation, and my sister name is Gayatri. He is studying Bachelor of Computer Application. So let me tell about my schooling and my studies. I studied in Government Higher Secondary School, Pandavam Nilgiris, and I finished a diploma course in Nanjay Lingamal Polytechnic College, Metropolitan. Now I started my bachelor degree in SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore, and I developed my skills and extracurricular activities. My ambition is become a best engineer and best placement in MNC company, and my pillars of my parents and supporting my friends and family. Thank you.